How to clean walls after construction work. Just wrapped up construction or a major renovation? Your space looks amazing, but your walls need a little love. Let's fix that. Part 1. Why it matters. Construction leaves behind dust, debris, and stains. Cleaning your walls not only makes your space look great, but also improves air quality and helps paint or wallpaper stick properly. Part 2. Materials you'll need: a vacuum with a soft brush, microfiber cloths, mild detergent, a bucket of clean water, gloves and a mask, soft sponges. Part 3. Step-by-step cleaning. Start by vacuuming to remove loose dust. Wipe down with a damp microfiber cloth. For stains, use a mild detergent and test on a small area first. Dab gently, never scrub. Rinse with clean water and dry with a soft cloth to prevent streaks. Always wear safety gear. Part 4. When to clean. Clean right after construction, before painting, and again during finishing touches. Each step helps maintain the quality and look of your space. Need help? KCS Kitchener Cleaning Services offers professional post-construction cleanups across Cambridge, Kitchener, Waterloo, and Guelph. Call 226-781-4045 or visit kitchenercleaningservice.ca for your free estimate.